All right, guys, welcome back. Another episode of Unbox That Wheel, UBTW. This time, we got some Savini forged one-piece monoblock for a beautiful Bentley Continental GTC convertible, baby. So let's open this up and let's get right into it, baby. Let's see what these guys are cooking up at Savini. All right, let's open this up and see how these wheels are gonna look. This is my first time seeing this lineup. This is the SV1R line. It's made for performance vehicles, it's made for luxury vehicles. Everything is hub-centric, which of course on the Bentleys, it's very crucial to sell hub-centric fitments, no vibration. Let's open this up and see what it's gonna look like. All right, so this is the Savini SV1R02, one-piece forged. What I love about the SV1R line is, of course, the knurled beads. This ensures that you have optimal traction and makes sure that there's no tire spin. For those super high performance vehicles, they're known to spin the tire on the wheel, causing them to go out of balance. The SV1R lineup has put things in place to ensure that that doesn't happen, or at least minimizes that kind of stuff from happening. This one here is a gloss black DDT finish. What DDT means, double dark tint. If you take a close look, you see how beautiful this finish is. Gloss black inner barrels, gloss black windows, gloss black register, and we're finished off with a pinstripe in the DDT and the face in the DDT, accented off with this beautiful three-tone center cap, white, red, black, billet aluminum. These are super premium quality wheels. If you want any quality product, make sure you guys give us a shout. We got all the right stuff for all the right applications. 416 Rim Gods, UBTW, baby.